Heard about it?
Yes, sir.
Two students died, precious lives were lost, and the school authorities, they have also issued an order that no underage student will drive the vehicles. You have read about these things?
Yes, sir.
So it is of prime concern to us because you people are the wealth of the nation. You are our future, and if you indulge in these things, rash driving, negligent driving, driving without helmet, then it is a cause of concern for all of us. And if your head is safe, you can be safe. If there are head injuries, most of the times I have seen that the motorcyclists which are not wearing helmet, they suffer from head injuries and they succumb to their head injuries later on, because head has vulnerable parts, and if there are head injuries, deeper head injuries, there are chances that person can succumb to injuries. So always use helmets. You can ask your parents, you can tell your friends, you can convince them to use helmets. You can revolutionize this thing because you have a responsibility, sense of social responsibility. You can take the responsibility yourself that if your dear ones use vehicles, drive the vehicle, motorcycle, most of the times, they must wear helmets when they go from home to for their destination. Next is follow traffic signals. Traffic signals should be followed. In Busoli you don't have traffic signals, but when you go to bigger cities, you have traffic signals, and it is very necessary to follow traffic signals if you want to avoid accidents. Next is avoid rash driving. Rash driving is a bigger menace among the young generation. So if you drive the vehicle over speedily, then there are chances that you will not be able to stop the vehicle whenever desired, and then it can result in accidents and loss of precious life. So always avoid rash driving. Vehicle should be used in controllable conditions at that speed with which you can control it. Use indicators on turns and lane changes. We have already discussed. Then avoid triple riding. This is also a menace. Avoid triple riding because your lives are very precious. When you indulge in triple riding, there are chances that you land yourself in certain accidents. Do not use horn in silent zones. When there are schools, courts or hospitals near certain zones, you do not use horns in those zones, because in hospitals there may be patients, in courts there may be certain exercise going on there between lawyers and witnesses, and in schools there may be study going on, and all these activities will get hampered if you use loud horns in those zones. So you have a sense of responsibility towards the society. You have to adhere to these guidelines, traffic rules, if you see yourself as a responsible citizen of this country.